beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
October, if nothing changes in the situation of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are going to begin and, trigger the burning down of Nigeria. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's situation must change either on or before the court date in October. If that doesn't happen, we are going to begin a very serious, not just civil disobedience. We are going to adopt every necessary strategy to make sure that the situation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu changes either on or before October 2021. We know that the Nigerian government has begun the process thinking that they have succeeded in silencing everybody. It is not possible. We know what to do, and the time is coming. And we know exactly how we're going to do it. This is not the time to look at somebody and point finger. If nothing changes between now and October, if the situation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not change between now and October, we are going to go all out. Don't ask me how it is going to happen, but the case will be made very clear. We are going to go all out. Then we will understand that the war has been declared against our people, and we will understand that the Nigerian judiciary and the Nigerian government is truly being controlled by the terrorists and Fulani jihadists, because the only way they can be able to change the demography of our place, the demography of Nigeria, is by continue holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And for that reason, if on or before the October, nothing happened, no change, there is no change, either he is released or transferred to a better place, we will invoke the burning down of Nigeria. And let me tell you, go and take this word to anywhere you want. Go and take it to anywhere you want. Because the people you are going to take this word to, they have kept silent, they have been mute on the extraordinary rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the torture, the abuse, the human rights abuse, the degrading treatment, the assault against Biafra as a nation. We have gone back to the drawing board. And this time around, believe me, Nigerian government will see it coming. We heard that some places are being ransacked and stuff like that. We are going to protest. We are going to demonstrate. And we will demonstrate in a very ruthless manner. If nothing changes between now and October, if nothing changes, if the situation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu didn't change between now and October, because we know how we have been calming people down. We know how we have been calming people down. And the Nigerian government is taking, advantage of the fact that we have been very peaceful. We have tried to be very civil. We have tried to be very civil. We have tried to be very peaceful. But they are taking that peaceful for granted. The peace we have given to them, the peace we have enjoyed, they have taken it for granted. So it is going to be human rights abuse versus a very ruthless civil disobedience. It is going to be human rights abuse versus a very ruthless civil disobedience. We're going to give it to Nigeria. We're going to give it to them. And it is going to be as we protect and try to fight to protect our land from the invasion of the jihadist government. So, let me make it very clear. Let me make it very clear. For those of you who do not know what is to come, like I said, I have denounced Nigeria's citizenship many years ago. I have never held Nigeria passport for more than 10 years. For more than 10 years. Over 10 years. Let me also make it very clear that everything I'm doing today, everything I'm doing outside my work life, outside my profession, is to fight for Biafra. And I'm going to do everything to make sure that the Biafra is restored. And then also, these evil medals that I'm going to show you today is the medals I'm going to return to Nigeria as a protest for the freedom of Biafra, and then also as a protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This medal will be presented to the Ministry of Sport in due time. Like I said, when this medal arrives in Nigeria, you are going to know. You will watch it. You will get the information and update on the return of these medals. I have watched and listened and read so many write-ups on social media about those saying, where is his medal? He needs to present medal. Where did he get medal? Some people went to internet to start copying nonsense in the internet. They copy nonsense information. What do they know? These are people who were criminals. These are people who were armed robbers. When I was doing sport representing Nigeria in my very young age, they were busy robbing people on gunpoint. They were busy doing picking pockets in Onitsha. They were busy doing picking pocket. They don't know what is sport. They are not civilized. They are not civilized. They are not civilized. They were in Opiweka doing picking pocket. They don't watch sport. So today, in 2021, after many useless years of their life, they are coming to look for internet where to print information about Simon Ekpa. They want to print information. Where is the medal? Where did he win medal and all that? Some of you don't know. I said, I will be opening my chapter one after the other. And the only one I open is the one you're going to discuss. That is how I'm going to do it. I will be leading you in this propaganda. So when I open any chapter, I will give it to you and you start reading it. Nobody opens my chapter for me. I open those chapters when I want, how I want it, whenever I want to. So some of them are on social media. Oh, this Simon Ekpa, there is this. He cannot provide. If you bring this medal, they are going to do this. They went and with their all stupid, the ignorant people who don't know anything, their left from their right, they went and begin to print something from the internet. Where is the medal and all that? Every information is not in social media. Every information is not on the internet. But what I'm going to tell you here today is facts and figures, verified. Some of them say, they saw where Simon Ekpa, where they wrote Simon Ekpa and they wrote Nigeria immigration. And then some of them don't even understand because of their criminality when in their young age, when they were still under under 21, they were busy picking pockets in Opiweka. While somebody like me was busy contributing positively and representing Nigeria, contributing to the upliftment of Nigerian name internationally, locally and internationally. I was busy then, and some of them were busy in Opiweka picking pocket. Today, they have been able to travel. Some of them travel to Turkey. Some of them travel to, doing drugs, and they don't know anything going on in Nigeria. Only to come back today and start wondering, oh, how did he make it? How did he went to, how did he, I didn't know he was an athlete. How did he make to athlete? And when you listen to them, you think they love Nigeria. I have said it. None of these people love Nigeria. The only reason they are fighting for one Nigeria is because they want to continue to live in criminality. They want to continue to harbor under one Nigeria where the crime paves way for them. They want to continue to live in Nigeria where when you become a criminal, that is the only time the Fulani will recognize you. That is the only time you will become the friends of Fulani. That is the only time you will go, instead of going to your village, you will be running to Kaduna. That is when, instead of going to your village, you will be running to Abuja. That is when instead of going to your village, you abandon your people and you find northern Nigeria as your friend because they support evil and criminals. And any day you repent and become Christian, they kill you. Any day, since you are running from your people to northern Nigeria, thinking you are going to get protection from them. Any day you confess Christianity, they're going to butcher you and kill you in the night. So when we were busy in our young age, representing Nigeria, what we have done for Nigeria all your life, you can't do it. The way we have suffered and paid price of one Nigeria, you cannot do it. Some of us have spent thousands and thousands of hours burning our body, torturing ourselves to become a better person, to bring the image of Nigeria into international community. You didn't do that. The only thing you do is to paint the image of Nigeria with your criminal act, with your criminal activity, with your drug dealing and trafficking in wherever you find yourself. And when you run back to Nigeria, they will embrace you. They will embrace you. Still, they turn back and begin to accuse Biafrans. They begin to accuse Igbos of dealing drugs. But the Igbos that are dealing drugs, the Igbos that are doing human trafficking, they are all embracing. The Fulani are embracing them. Fulanis embracing them. Okay? And let me tell you, for those of you who do not know, I hope some of them are ready to break their balls and drink the water in it. I know that some of them are watching me now. Some of them are watching me. Some of them say they are going to break their balls and drink the water in it. I don't know whatever that means. I don't know. So invite them. Invite them to this particular broadcast today. And after that, go to their pages and challenge them. Tell them that Simon Ekpa has presented medal with facts and figures, and you are expecting them to do video and drink the water from their balls or whatever. I don't even know how they put it. Somebody sent me something, something that I read very, very vaguely. I didn't even read it because it doesn't worth reading, but because it has to do with the medals. So I read it. They said they want to break their balls if I bring medal. They are going to break their balls and drink the water in it. So invite those people who want to break their balls and drink water. Because one thing is that they went to internet to copy something they don't know nothing about. Let me tell you, I have represented Nigeria immigration officially. Me, Simon Ekpa, represented Nigeria immigration and won national honor for Nigeria Immigration Service. Do you know about that? No, you don't know. You don't know. Let them go to immigration. Let them go to the list of immigration in Nigeria there and check the people that have represented Nigeria immigration nationally and see that Simon Ekpa won national honor for Nigeria immigration. How many of these criminals and armed robbers have done that? No, they cannot do that. They can't even run 100 meters, or not to talk about running around the field. They can't do it. They were in Opiweka doing picking pocket. Some of them were opportune to travel to Turkey. They sold corns, sold human beings in Turkey, and they deported them. And some of them don't even know what is, what is sport. They have never watched sports for one day. But because everybody is now shouting Biafra, some of them have become some, I don't know what to call them, and they can now come on social media and talk about medal. But I said, and I maintain, when some of us were busy trying to represent Nigeria, some of them were doing picking pocket in Opiweka. Some of them have committed all manner of crime in their village, and they chased them from their village. They ran to Onitsha and started doing picking pocket. From picking pocket, they graduated into armed robbery. They begin to carry Oka-made pistol to rob people in Onitsha. From there, they chased them away from Onitsha. They succeeded in traveling to one Arab country like that. And today, all of them, they are the people who will be talking and making noise. When Simon Ekpa is talking, they are talking. When Simon Ekpa is talking, they are talking. These are people who have done nothing for Nigeria. They have done nothing for Ndibo. They have done nothing for their village. They have done nothing for their own family. They have done nothing for the nation. They have done nothing other than representing the country with criminal activities. They sell drug. They push drug. They are involved in crime. They do all manner of petty criminals activities. And this is what they have done all their life. So, I'm going to show you this evening just some of the most important medals that I will be returning to Nigeria. Very significant medals I will be returning to Nigeria. And I said, the reason I'm going to return these medals is one, for Biafra, two, is for the extraordinary rendition and for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, I want those who say, where is the medal? They are going to break their balls and eat it. All your life, you cannot. I'm not talking to those who are in sport. I am talking to those who are on social media copying something from the internet. All your life, you cannot get this. Because even at your age now, I believe you cannot even train for 1 hour or 2 hours to be able. You cannot even win your village championship. Not to talk of training to win your local government. I'm not talking about even village, your autonomous community. Not to talk of coming to win your local government. Not to talk of coming to state. Not to talk of even coming to your region. Not even to talk of going to national level. Okay? And when you talk about national level, not even for you to win medal in national level in Nigeria. Nigeria are full with talented people all over Nigeria. Of course, not all over Nigeria. Yorubas and the Biafrans. Okay? So you cannot even be able to win medal in your own community, not even in your community. And what I'm showing you here is not your local medal, is not from your local community, it's not from your state, it's not a state medal, it is not a national or regional medal, it is not Nigeria medal. This is an international medal, won in the name of Nigeria. Okay? This is international medal. Look at it. Look at it. International medal. Me, not you. Look at it. International medal. Are you aware of that? I want you to read it. This is my medal, and this will be returned to Nigeria because it is part of bringing the Nigerian name. So in the history of Nigeria, you can't talk about sport and those who have brought good name to Nigeria without mentioning Simon Ekpa. If Nigeria dissolved today, in the history of Nigeria, it doesn't matter whether it is Olympic, it doesn't matter whether it is World Championship, it doesn't matter. But what matters is that you cannot talk about Nigeria today without mentioning Simon Ekpa in sport. You cannot, because this is the evidence. Forget what you see on their Google or whatever. They went and copied something, and this is the medal. And I have heap of medal like this. All national honors that will be returned to them. I will select those that are very significant and I will return them. Now I have shown you this, right? Let me show you. This is a national gold medal. This is a national gold medal. Okay? I was a national champion. Are you people aware of that? This is a gold medal. For Nigeria, look at the evil flag. For Nigeria, this is a gold medal. Do you know what it takes for you to train and become a national champion? A national champion in Nigeria. Nigeria that is blessed with that country that is blessed with Biafra and Oduduwa, and they are all beasts in sport, track and field. This is a gold medal. While you were busy in Opiweka doing picking pocket, I was busy representing Nigeria, bringing the image of Nigeria to the world. This is a gold medal, my own gold medal, Simon Ekpa. This is a triple jump gold medal, and this is what we call the Mobile Track and Field Championship. And in this gold medal, I was part of those who won 1 million naira. Do you know what is 1 million naira in those days? Do you know what is 1 million? You see, and it is not from Nigeria. Nigeria did not pay me 1 million. You know Nigeria cannot pay money. They don't have money to pay. So those of you who are now saying that bring medal, whether both local and international, you are going to break your ball. Go and break your ball, let us see. And if you cannot break your ball, after what I'm doing this evening, then you know you shouldn't come to the social media and talk. Because you are all scammers. Scammers and criminals. That is what you people are. So when I was busy, when Simon Ekpa was busy doing great things positively for Nigeria, you were busy in Opiweka. I continue to say it. Opiweka. Opiweka. Doing picking pocket. And people say this is boasting. This is not boasting. This is not, if you have your own, bring it. It is time we begin to set the record very straight. We need to let the people understand that some people were busy doing picking pocket in Opiweka. And today they are surprised. Simon Ekpa is a criminal. Simon Ekpa is a scammer. Show me where Simon Ekpa is a criminal. But you are a confirmed picking pocket in Opiweka. You pick the pocket, you graduated from picking pocket, you enter into armed robbery, robbing people in a gunpoint. From there, you transited to some Arab country, and you did another crime there, and some of them are deported to Nigeria. When they deport you to Nigeria, you go and start running your mouth with Simon Ekpa. With Simon Ekpa, who have suffered and suffered to represent Nigeria and bring the image of Nigeria to the world. I am the last person you are going to challenge in any walks of life. I am the last person you can talk to. Because anytime, anywhere, any angle you come, I'm going to bring something to prove you, that you should not be talking. So my people, any place you hear or see them talking trash, go and tell them to, first of all, show you what they have done for Nigeria. Ask them. All of them that are shouting, oh, one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Let them show you what they have done for Nigeria. They cannot show you anything. There is nothing to show for it. Nothing. The only thing they have done for Nigeria is to use Igbo name and commit crime. And once they commit that crime, they tag them Igbo. They are Igbo person. They have carried drug. But when I was doing this, they were calling me Nigerian. When I was doing this, they were calling me Nigerian. But most of you that are shouting one Nigeria today, hiding in one Kaduna mud house, shouting one Nigeria. You can't even come out. You cannot go to, you know, they upgraded to anonymous. Thank you very much, our secretary. And then from picking pocket, they upgraded to this, they travel to Arab country, and some of them, they become anonymous. They become anonymous and begin to scam BIAFRANS. Some of them are anonymous, but I have also stopped them. Are you aware of that? They came and my way is their last bus stop. The day they spoke about Simon Ekpa was the beginning of their end as anonymous scammers. I ended their career. I ended their career. And anybody that fall for those anonymous, those people, you are on your own. It means that you are mumu. Your mumu don't have any, you know, nobody can do, you know, nobody can just help you anymore. Because I have exposed the anonymous scammers, and some of them are on rampage now. Some of them are on rampage. I ended their career. And I'm very, very proud to say that I ended their career. And if you come again to say that you are anonymous, Chineka Ogoku, Ogezbotoku. Okay? This is number 2. I said I'm going to show you few. Now, let me also show you. Did you see this? Did you see this? This is another medal. I want you to, if you don't know anybody who is into sport, go and, you know, see somebody and ask the person, what does it tell you? What does it take you to win a medal in Nigeria? In national festival, in national sport. This is not national festival. National festival is a competition of small. I don't even bring national festival medals here. I don't bring national festival medals. Okay? I want you to take picture of this medal. Look at it. Look at it. Tell them to go and break their balls and drink the water. Sorry. Tell them to go and break their balls and break the water. And all these medals I am showing you. All these medals I am showing you. I am returning all of them. All of them. I don't, you know, I am returning to show you that Biafra has come to stay. Okay? I don't want to display this nonsense anymore. For somebody to say, oh, you represent Nigeria, oh, you have been in Nigeria. I don't want to show it to anybody anymore. And from today, this thing will not hang anywhere around my house. I am going to park it somewhere. I'm going to park them somewhere and wait for the next thing. You will see it in Nigeria. You will see it in Nigeria. Okay? Forget about whether it is my merit, whether I merited it, whether it's my sweat. It is my sweat. And I'm going to do it however I want it. That is to show my dedication. I did not earn them by cheat. I did not earn them by corruption. It is not when our own is even individual sport. Okay? Individual sport. Not somebody who go and you get medal by running relay. When you did not run well, somebody else will cover you. And then you come and start talking and you say you're one Nigeria. You're one Nigeria. You're one Nigeria. Some of them who are shouting one Nigeria, If America is giving visa today, they will all disappear to America. They will all disappear to America. Even if Ghana is telling them, come to Ghana, we have opened your gate, come to Ghana. Immediately, all of them will vanish to Ghana. But talk about Nigeria disintegration. One Nigeria. So I want you to go to the pages of those. Take screenshot as I'm showing you now before they arrive Nigeria. Take screenshot as I'm showing you. Go to their pages. Tell them it is now we have challenged them to bring their balls and break it on live video and drink the water because they said it. And they don't know that Fulani were deceiving them. I saw some of them where Fulani is supporting them. Fulani is giving them document. Oh, they print this one from online. Go to IAAF, type Simon Ekpa. Print the picture and show it on social media. Fulani man giving them advice. And some of them hurriedly went to social media, to internet, type Simon Ekpa, and they printed them, and then they begin to say, where is the medal? Where is the medal? I want to tell you, let me check if the year is here. Now, this is 17th. This is 17th mobile track and field. 17th Nigeria Mobile Track and Field Championship. Go and check the record. Go to the record. Go to the AFN and check 17th Nigeria Mobile Track and Field Championship. And you see who won this. You see Simon Ekpa and what position and the medal. Go and check it. Okay? Now, this is number one. I want you to go and check it. 17th, let me say it again, so that when you are breaking your balls online, you break it very well. Because I did not bring only one medal. And like I said, I have the heap of medals like this. I did not bring only one medal. I bring 3 now to show you. So I believe that I have added 1 because your balls is added 2. You have 2 balls. So I bring 1 extra as a jara to eat. Otherwise, I would have just bring only 2. And say 1 for 1 ball, the other 1 for another ball. So because you have 2 balls. But I bring 3 to add it jara. I give you jara. And I want you to go to the Nigeria whatever sport and check 17th Nigeria Mobile Track and Field Championship and check what Simon Ekpa won there. Number 1. Number 2, I want you to go to 16th Nigeria Mobile Track and Field Championship and check what this is a gold medal. This is a gold medal. Okay? This is a gold medal. I want you to go and check what did Simon Ekpa win during the 16th Nigeria Mobile Track and Field Championship. If you do this and you did not break your balls on live video, I have to start to borrow all these things from our leader now because he's not here. He's not here with us. I want you also, in case you don't know, this one you can see by yourself because it is well written. When you go there, you check. What did Simon Ekpa win here? I'm not going to, start telling you other competitions every here and there that Simon Ekpa have tried to bring Nigeria into the limelight. And you idiot who have nothing to offer to any nation, you idiot who only thing you do is to engage in crime, you idiot. You are talking about Simon Ekpa online. You are printing something that a Fulani man from Kaduna gave you. Come to talk about Simon Ekpa. You idiot. You should be the last person to discuss and talk about me. Huh? You should be the last. In fact, if I am don't even mention my name because we are not even with your shoe and you are not even where my shoe is supposed to be. Don't talk. I am not your mate. We not be mate. Okay? And like I said, any chapter I open, that is the one you know. That is the one you are going to talk about. And I am in charge. I am in charge. When I open that chapter, you talk about it. And I have opened this particular chapter for you. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk what you don't know. Make sure you break your balls and let us see how manly you are. Because all of you are scammers and liars. You make bogus claim, you make bogus promise that you cannot fulfill. Okay? I want you to go and check the information I have given you now and see what things Simon Ekpa win there. And guess what? The way I have tried and brought Nigeria to the limelight is the way I am going to destroy Nigeria internationally. You see, I may put extra effort. But I am going to achieve this aim of disintegrating Nigeria. Before Nigeria disintegration, we are going to make sure we rubbish Nigeria in international community, and we are doing that. We are doing that without wasting time. We are doing that without looking back. We will destroy Nigeria. Why Nigeria or Tor? We have even done that already. When we started this thing, I told you people, by the time we finish with Nigeria, we are going to do like this, and Nigeria will fall. Is it not happening? Is it not happening? Is it not happening? People will come because we are in Biafra struggle. Every time you talk about Simon Ekpa, we are in Biafra struggle, Simon Ekpa. When I open another chapter, just wait. When I open another chapter, it's coming. I'm going to open another chapter so that you will know that we are not made. When I was busy, you were busy committing crime. That is what I want everybody to understand. I want everybody to understand this particular point. That when some people like us, we are busy to serve Nigeria, that guy, those guys, those idiots, they were busy committing crime in Onitsha, in Opiweka. In Opiweka. These people terrorized Opiweka. They made Opiweka so bad that you can never talk about Onitsha without crime. Today, some of them think that we have forgotten. They have traveled to Turkey. They have traveled to whatever they have traveled to, and now they are all of them have become internet people with Nigeria, one Nigeria. Because once you shout one Nigeria, nobody investigates you. Nobody investigates you. Fulani will make you friend. Fulani will make you friend. Oh, come. We love you. They will use your picture to do DP. They will use your picture to do their profile. They will do all those things because you are just a criminal who have turned against your people. And anybody that comes up, you begin to attack the person. If this one come, hey Biafra, you begin to attack the person. When you have nothing to offer, you have not achieved nothing in your life other than crime. There is nothing to write home about yourself. You don't have profession. You don't have nothing. You don't have any profession. You did not go to school. All you do is to come to social media and start ranting. Ranting about people fighting genuinely for the freedom of their own people. So, from today, tell whoever that is hiding in one mud house in Kaduna, tell those that are hiding in one mud house, in one place in Asokoro, Abuja, or Kano, wherever they are, tell them that I am not their mate. We are not mate. We are not mate both in craziness. When it comes to craze, I will pull my suit, and I will tell you that even in craze, I get A1. I am all around. Bring craziness, I will give it to you. Bring civil, I will give it to you. Bring classic, I will give it to you. Bring gentleman, I will give it to you. And I have waited for this particular waited for this particular time to come.
In fact, Simon Ekpa, we give it to you. You are just too much. Leadership with swag and leadership with example. Thank you very much for the good work you are doing for Biafra. We really appreciate. All right, my wonderful family, I am so grateful. You heard it from the horse's mouth. Simon Ekpa is so pissed up right now. In fact, the zeal in him and the fire that is burning in him, there is nothing that will compare it to that. He is a man of grace, and for you to know that he has done a lot for the country called Nigeria, but they never appreciate. Now you see the way the table is turning around. And I love a particular point that he said that if Mazina Dikano situation did not change, hey, something else will change for the better. Yes, these are the type of action that we need. We need people like this to stand up. We need people like this to speak up. And we believe that with Simon Ekpa and the DOS, a lot of things is going to put into place from and with the Nigeria government. Because these people, they are no longer scared anymore. Enough of all that, enough is enough. If nothing changed before October, you see the result of what will happen by yourself. All right, my wonderful family, I am so grateful. I am super excited. Thank you very much for always supporting this channel. I am so grateful. Please, if today is the first time you are seeing this face, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Please support Biafra referendum, because in referendum, that is where our hope lies. All right, my wonderful family, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, and share it to the world so that they will know the latest that happened all over the globe. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.